Hi, I'm Catherine from Collier County Public Library, and I'd like you to check this book out. Simply Living Well by Julia Watkins. It's a guide to creating a natural, low-waste home. This book gives you projects and recipes for natural cleaning, natural wellness, natural bath and body, and lots of kitchen garden recipes. Today I'm going to do a garbanzo bean recipe, and I'm going to roast them. And the recipe's in this book. Crispy chickpeas are a healthy snack. I'm going to take 4 cups of chickpeas that I cooked according to the directions. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm going to season with onion powder, ground coriander and cumin, and a little bit of smoked paprika. I put the chickpeas on a roasting pan and I topped with salt and pepper, and I'm going to put them in at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Crispy chickpeas are a favorite healthy snack. Enjoy them any time of day and simply live well and eat well.